How to set up and earn via Appen, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to the video where we will guide you through the new and legit earning way that is Appen CrowdGen. One of the leading global platforms connects remote workers with the real-world tasks to help shape the future of AI. If you are someone who always been curious about how to earn money online and a flexible and meaningful way, this video is perfect for you. What is Appen exactly? Appen is a crowd-generated platform that partners with some of the largest companies in the world to improve their AI technology. They do this by having people like you and me to work on a task like social media evaluation, search engine evaluation, transcription, and many more. The best part is you will get paid to contribute to this project no matter where in the world you are. So let's take a look at the website. So head to the website called crowdgen.com. Let's see what's Appen is offering to us. First thing first, get paid to shape the AI. This is the Appen's core mission. By completing tasks like evaluating ads, testing voice systems, or transcribing audios, you help improve the AI system used every day by day. Second, join a global crowd. That means over 1 million remote contributors from 170 plus countries and speaking open 235 different languages. Impressive. And also impressive thing that is the Appen paid around $157 million in alone 2022 to the crowd workers. With this in mind, let's discuss why Appen might be the right platform for you if you are looking to earn money online. Working on Appen offers numerous benefits like flexible hours. Second, work from anywhere. All you need is a computer and an internet access to work. Third one, competitive pay. Depending on the task, you can make a solid income by working consistently. Fourth one, quick payments. Appen ensures timely payments with options like PayPal or direct bank transfer if you are available in your country. Fifth, user-friendly guide. Appen provides clear instruction on how to complete tasks if you are new to this kind of work. Sixth, contribute to AI. Basically, you will be directly involving in the development of AI, playing a small part in the advancement of technology like voice assistant and search engine. So let's take a look on FAQs, frequently asked question. Let's quickly go through them. What people commonly ask, like, is Appen is legit? Yes, Appen is legit platform. It's been around for years working with top tech companies to improve their AI technology. And second, how I am ensured that I am paid fairly. Appen is known for paying competitive rate based on the complexity of tasks. You will be see payment detail upfront before you accept any job. Can I start earning today? Yes, after setting up an account and passing a few basic qualification tests, you can start on tasks and earning money. On how to start earning with Appen, look at the earn remotely button at bottom of a home screen. Once click that, you will be redirected to the page listing available job openings. Explore the job listing. Once you are on the job page, you will be see a variety of options to choose from. If you are looking for something specific like working on social media evaluation, you can filter job openings by location, work type, and team, etc. Select a job. For this video, let's walk through applying for a popular tasks. Let's take this one, social media evaluation, Hindi, India. This is a simple beginner-friendly role that involves evaluating social media content and giving feedback. Review job details. To see a detailed description of the job details, you will find information on things like the expected workload, required qualification, payment term, what to do, what not to do. Be sure to read everything carefully before applying. Right now, then apply for the job. Once you're ready, click apply for the job. Next, beside it, this will take you to the application form. Fill out the application form. You will be need to provide some basic details. Let's go through it. So first thing first, upload your CV or resume. Make sure your CV highlights any relevant skills or experience. Second, enter your name, email address, phone number, and location. And as well as current employment status, this can include any freelance, part-time, any company you're working in. And that's it. So complete your application. After this basic detail, there are few more things you will need to include to finalize your application. Provide links of social media profiles, like if you're employee or a job seeker, you having a LinkedIn, so provide it here below. You having next appen will ask a series of questions to help them understand your qualification, like which country you were from. Select your country from the drop down list. Where do you currently residing? Again, selecting your current location. Next is language, primary language, English, Dutch, French, Italian, whatever you're comfortable. Just select from the list. Your education. Mention the highest level of education you have completed, like undergrad, high school, PhD, masters, and whatnot. Desired pay rate. Be sure to enter a fair pay rate that reflect the type of work you are applying for. Availability. Indicate how many hours per week you can dedicate to work on app and task. Be honest here, as this will determine the type of work you qualify for. Optional demographics right now. Appen may also ask for optional demographics like information like your gender, race, whereas to serve military like veteran and all that. These questions are typically used for internal research and don't affect your application. So give the legit answers you're having, and that will win. Move forward. So right now we are finalizing our application. So after submitting your application, you may be prompted to connect via WhatsApp or SMS to receive job updates. If you are comfortable sharing your number, this can help you to stay informed about new job opportunities and future updates by the CrowdGen. Once you have completed the application, you will be received a confirmation email from Appin. They will review your submission within few minutes. If you encounter any issue, the Appin support team is available to assist for you. And if you haven't received any email regarding your application or any notification, you can simply go through their help desk. That's the full breakdown of the how to set up and earn money on Appin. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content on earning money online and working with AI platform. Thanks for watching and good luck on your journey with Appin, CrowdStrike,